if I go into the history and you find the real history of my place is the foundation of dancehall. I can tell you that. People can tell you, say, Black Scorpio HQ was where this emerge of dancehall thing. I mean, we're not talking about the production now, like, we not go to making a music. We're talking about busting artists and artists want to make a name.
Yeah.
Buju Banton tell me say my place and me make him know say him an artist. Him tell me that to the one mouth. Buju Banton.
Wow.
Sometimes when me say this thing, I know me say it, him say it to me. Him come around at my place one night to come DJ when I'm a youth. As a little boy, I come from school. And when him come around in the night, find out those days, you know, when you DJ, either you win. Normally we might give them some beer or might give them a token, or for them time we never used to produce. We just I deal with entertainment and you get a bus and we never used to produce neither.
You weren't producing. You weren't producing.
No, I've just highlight young artists. But it end up that him come the night and him DJ. So when you DJ, you get percentage. So I was there beside him with a next guy who I work with named Colachin, a great beard youth.
Yep,
so Colachin now give him 20%. He might tell me this, I wouldn't remember if he never said it to me. And he says, him goes to me and says, Scorpio, you see you look for me good and just take the mic from Colachin and say, no man, that youth I deserve more than 20%, man. Why? I'm say, you know what, me I put 50 on it and give him 17. Says Scorpio, me it's well big, so that's how I get to know my artist. No, Buju man, Buju respect me and honor me, and he might tell me this fight because what? One day I do some dub for me and my studio down there, so with my studio. And me go see my voice, and me like I say, which one I read me have against Scorpio? And me I say the read rock and him just fight about 4 tune. So when him a go down, me said to him, then Buju, can't pay your boss. Buju just turn around and look for me and say, Scorpio, and me if I pay you.
Respect. Respect.
Yo, the youth there, the man, I want to tell you some Japanese in my work for you know. Did you know so when him done work and do about 10 dub plate for me, he still turn around and give me $5,000. And I saw him gonna tell me, you know, the history of what take place in the Scorpio. Let me tell you this what you don't know. Me I tell you as a man. Me a little boy.
Yeah.
I come at your place, Scorpio. And Colachin give me 20%. And him don't look when him talk. Scorpio, you as a boss. You as a boss, take the mic. And say, no man, that you that deserve more than 20, man. Me I put 50 pounds and give him say make sure. He said this following man, him go a chancellor and go buy him first tune for Riley. For this thing that for no say him artist.
I think that might have been Stamina Daddy, he might have voiced that.
Yeah, about them time there, we go buy for Winston Riley, as him said.
Techniques?
Yeah. Techniques.
It might have been Stamina Daddy, yes.
Yeah, well, all of them sang that one. But anyway, no, listen, I don't mean say it now. Would you tell me this? I'm laughing. Because you see, in Headly Avenue, it's supposed to elevate youths. It's not just, we never want to turn down no youth to have a chance. If a youth not sound good, we might say, come back next week, try again, keep in the vibe. And the same thing with my father tell me the same thing too. Him say, used to come around here when him come, boy, sometime I'm going to kill him. In my shop, he might get all a bull or a piece of thing from my wife them. And then we just give him something. And I mean, you know which one used to live there? Anthony B. Yes, man, that's hey, most Anthony B eating a Star Trail used to rent my studio every Tuesday, you know. And Stone Love rent it every Wednesday. So most of them Stone Love hit there, all them he real rock it there. Out of my studio, them make them the hits there, you know, Stone Love hits them, you know. Them Sanchez over here where Stone Love play for them sound and them big tune there, for the real rock. Out of Black Scorpio studio them come from.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.